Something is happening right now in the world. It's unfolding quietly, but rapidly all around us. It's not just new apps anymore, or smarter devices. It's deeper than that. Every so often, something comes along that marks a before and after in the story of humanity. The printing press, electricity, the internet, and now, artificial intelligence. Whether you're fully aware of it or not, we are living through one of those moments, right now. AI is already reshaping how we live, how we work, how we communicate, even how we think. And here's the simple truth: our lives will never be the same again. I want you to really take that in. Think about your life, never being the same again. How might it feel? How might it look? But change doesn't have to mean fear. It can also mean awakening. Awakening to new perceptions, a deeper awareness, maybe even a new kind of consciousness. That's why I made this video. Not to overwhelm you with tech talk, not to repeat what everyone else is saying, but to sit with you as a friend and offer a calm, honest understanding of what artificial intelligence really is and what it might mean for all of us. At its core, artificial intelligence means something simple. Machines that can learn. They look at patterns, absorb information, and improve over time. It's not magic. It's not consciousness. It's a new kind of tool, a tool that adapts. And just like any tool, how we use it is up to us. You've already met AI. It's the voice that finishes your sentence when you're texting. It's the system that recommends a movie, a song, or even the fastest route home. It powers tools that help doctors diagnose faster, that help writers find the perfect words, that help creators bring visions to life. It's here, quietly, shaping the edges of our lives. And now AI is accelerating. Tools once reserved for experts are becoming available to everyone. You, me, all of us. With a few words, you can now create art, music, code, ideas. That's beautiful. That's powerful. But we also have to ask ourselves, what are we creating? What kind of world are we building with this power in our hands? Are we becoming more human or less? These aren't easy questions, but they are the questions of our time. Here's what I believe, from my heart. AI doesn't have to make us feel smaller. It can remind us of what makes us truly human. Our imagination, our compassion, our curiosity. The tools are here, but the soul, the meaning, that's still up to us. And that gives me hope, because I believe that if we learn together, grow together, and stay rooted in what matters most, then this moment, this great transformation, can be something beautiful. If this video helped you see things more clearly, if you felt something open in you, a question, a thought, a sense of possibility, then don't let that moment fade. Leave a comment below with the words, "I'm listening and awakening." Let that be your way of saying, "I'm here, I'm present, I'm ready." Share this with someone you think may be quietly asking the same questions. And if it feels right, stay with us. Subscribe to this channel. This is a space for calm, clear, human conversations about AI and beyond. And if you're ready to explore the tools that are changing the world, we've shared some in the description below, including one of our favorites, Pictory. Use the code RAWLSimply20 for a discount and support this channel as we grow together.